So I bought a new account this Sunday because some reason Goat funded banned me, and that's fine. So we went with a professional trader, that is Fires, and this is the balance so far: $58. We made 2%. We have to make 10% for step one and 5% for step two. These are the stats so far. I started on Monday. I didn't trade on Monday. I traded on Tuesday and Wednesday. I don't trade. I took small quantity here and there. But yeah, this is the stats, net profit, and all. Yeah, so that's it. And let's get back to work. So GBP in daily, it is retesting the daily order block. Quite bullish so far, so not looking great because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candle. Today, I think it will close around its opening price, then next day it might continue for the higher side. It's bullish, overall trend is bullish, 4 hour is bearish. You can see the reversal in trend. Most likely it will make a pole and flag and continue for the upside. Technically, it has given a breakdown. There is a FEG over here which it can retest and give a breakdown. 1 hour, okay, made an inverted hammer, should have continued, so it is still bullish. Yeah, but daily trend is bearish. You can see this was a very strong breakout, but as the overall trend has stretched too much, this is not a very, this is a shallow pullback than this pullback, but this is a very strong fall. So this swing, and I saw London session. I paper traded the London session, and it would have been a profitable session. So that's why I am a little worried that we might hit a SL. But fine, we are up 2%. Worst case scenario, we will hit a SL today as well as tomorrow, and we will be break even. So that's fine. But I'll be a little cautious for this session. This is the very important level because this was a very strong breakdown. Here you can see a 1 hour FVG was retested, made a perfect, beautiful inverted hammer, and it should have continued. But you can see the next candle reversed from here, so you can see that the buyers are in control. And we will also look for buys. 15-minute, good. This was a very strong breakout, pullback, false breakdown, a breakout, and we have a zone which we can trade. So this is the zone. Once it gives a breakout, then retest and 1 minute breakout structure. GBP euro, yeah, it has also retested the, no, it hasn't retested the daily FVG. So if we have to prefer, then I would prefer to trade GBP rather than euro. Same story, it didn't sweep this low, so you can say euro is more strong, but it hasn't met the technical thing. So if I had to, then I might prefer to go half quantity, two-third quantity, because strength is there. This was a great breakout. FVG got retested. 15-minute FVG here retested. Hammer again, it tried, but hammer. So same plan, but with two-third quantity in euro. I might not trade euro. If I have to pick, then why should I trade both? Uh, Even if it gives the first trade, but I might wait for GBP. But yeah, we will write the plan: breakout, retest, and 1 minute breakout structure. Okay, JPY. It has been sideways in daily, not like other pairs. It is in this zone. Breakdown, pullback, hasn't given a breakdown. It swept this low today, but it has a very big wick, so I am not very interested in trading today. JPY, there is a FEG, so it can act as a magnet, and we can expect the momentum till the FEG. 4 hour is looking good because it has been sideways here. It gave a breakout and it is retesting the order block, but current candle is very strong. There's still 3 hours. Most likely this will be a wick and the candle will close, can take out this high, same as the last time that we did, somewhere around, okay, where was it, yeah, over here. You can see gave a breakout, retest, and then you can see the momentum. Same might happen over here, but so far it has been sideways. I'm not interested in JPY, but yeah, one, no, we can trade. This is looking good. The candle is very strong, but there is still time for the candle to close, so he can plan because this is a very strong breakout. Retest of the order block, 15 minutes. Yeah, okay, fine. I need a 5-minute breakout structure. That's the thing because momentum very strong. It made a FEG, so we will wait for a 5-minute breakout structure. 5 yes, and 1-minute breakout structure. Retest and 1-minute breakout structure. That's the plan. And here 15-minute breakout structure, 15-minute breakout structure. Gold. I checked that JPY and gold would have given. They did give a profitable trade in London session. So maybe this session will be a SL day. Daily bullish gave a pullback. Now it can continue for the higher side. 4-hour good momentum pullback. This was a shallow pullback that we love. Today, first 4 hours were very strong. This too can be a pullback, but this is one doji. This candle should make a very good candle. Otherwise, the opening of this candle is important. It is around its opening price, so because if it doesn't move, then most likely, yeah. But we have to wait for the session open. That's the thing. 30 minutes. I would have loved if it closed above this swing, but in 8 minutes, I don't think it will. Great, since then sideways. This was a good momentum of the start of the day, then sideways. Now it didn't. Okay, this was a good breakout, and yeah, here it got retested once but twice. This candle should have continued follow through, but it's not great. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, technically speaking, that after this breakout, it has been sideways, so we can expect a momentum like this. A breakout, then sideways, pole and flag, and now it can continue for the higher side. And but I will go. Let's check 5 minute. It hasn't given a 5-minute breakout structure also, so this is very shallow. I need a breakout of the zone. We need a breakout. So 5-minute breakout and retest. 5 breakout structure and 1 breakout structure, which is this swing for the time being. Should I go? I will go 2/3 quantity, not full quantity because there are a lot of wicks over here. Gold would not be my first preference to trade because today it has moved quite a bit. In the London session, I saw that at 1:30 around here, you can see in 5 minutes there was a order FEG or something, I don't remember. So yeah, here you can see it gave a breakout structure. Here is the order block. This candle retested, and there was a 1-minute breakout structure over here, and the easy 1/3. Right now, not looking great. Well, we can also trade a 3-minute, but yeah, we need a confirmation. 3-minute breakout structure is good, but there's still 5 minutes. Let's see. NQ that made me up 2%. Okay, man, the momentum is 14% is a lot of percentage. And here, as you can see, I marked, and it is bullish in daily, but it's around half the way, so it has no wick. There can be a small reversal, but we will go with the trend. If we hit SL, that's fine. Tomorrow we will know there is a trend reversal for 1 or 2 days. Then we can trade that in weekly. Let's see how it is looking. Okay, there's a very strong candle. I don't think it should close because it has stretched. It might close about this swing which has been tested twice. So let's go with that. 4-hour gave a breakout structure for the downside. So technically it is bearish now, but yeah, good. That can be a good manipulation. I want 30 minutes. No, man. Here you can see the change in the trend, breakout structure for the downside, retest almost like head and shoulder. Breakout structure, pullback, hasn't broken this swing so far. 15-minute breakout structure for the upside, but we need a breakout structure for the upside if we want a continuation. So I won't trade because we need a 15-minute breakout structure over here. Yeah, this is also fine. 5-minute breakout structure. If it gives before the session opens, then I will trade. Otherwise, we won't trade this one. Let's see. Okay, so I exited around here because I forgot to put the, not actually forgot, but yeah, I didn't put the TP, so I exited around here. We still, it can continue, but I don't wanna because my TP was over here. It was met $75 somewhere around here. I miscalculated, but fine. So we booked how much? 54, 1 is to 2. That's bad because we should have been more prepared. We got 1 is to 3, but I only booked 1 is to 2. Fine. As you can see, if it has been, yeah, it has been updated. We are up 4%. We just need to make 6 more percent to pass F1, and that's great. So that's it. See you tomorrow. Bye.